Lions are the only big cats that live in social groups called prides, which typically consist of related females, their cubs, and a few males. Male lions are known for their distinctive manes, which help protect their neck during fights and also signal their strength and health to potential mates. Lions are apex predators in their ecosystems, primarily hunting large herbivores like zebras, antelopes, and buffalo. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away, and it's used to communicate with other lions and establish territorial boundaries. If you think you're a lion, then like this video.